We're out here today in this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home out here in Boerne, Texas. As you guys can see, here is the gorgeous house. We're going to walk through it. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,800 square feet, full sprinklers. I'm going to show you this has this beautiful glass front door with the Texas star. Be a little Texas proud. Let me get the door open real quick. We'll kind of show you the hallway. As you come in, you can see it has a nice, gorgeous view all the way through. Nice open hardwood tile. Hardwood tile. That sounds funny. Tile throughout the whole floor. As you come into the right, there's a shared bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. So right here, nice big bedrooms. Both of them all already have ceiling fans included. You can see here's another one. Nice big windows viewing out. And then I'm going to show you both of them have this large kind of walk-in closet space, which is great. I'm going to go down here a little bit. So you come in on the left, you have your 2 bedrooms, your main 2 extra bedrooms with the shared bathroom. As you come in here, it has a closet. There's your extra closet. And then as you come into the room here, it opens up into the living room. One of the great things about this is a big open space. So as you can see this not the ceiling of course, but the living room. As you can see the living room here, it goes all the way around. I'm going to kind of pan around a little bit. And then as you come out, I'm going to try to walk in and show you the kitchen, which is nice because you can be in the kitchen having a party, talking to your family, everything, and you have the big open space with the living room and the kitchen. And then on the side over here, you could use this as a dining area. It could be another place. If you have one of those tables with like a bench seat, that has a great spot for that. Another great thing is you can kind of see out this window. I'm going to get closer to the window so you can check it out. This is on a greenbelt. So there you go. I'll go outside in a second and show you kind of the greenbelt a little bit better. So there's nobody behind you. You have your privacy. Even though the yard is smaller, you could no problem put a gate there and have all that access to the back, and you can have that huge open back. So this is, again, you come in the front and you come down. On the left is the 2 bedrooms, the extra bath, and opens this huge hardwood floored living room. There's no carpet you can see except for the bedrooms. Over here is your laundry room. As you come in as well, out of the garage, they have a place to hang your coats, everything like that. A nice big laundry room. I'm going to show you the garage real quick, just so you can get an idea. Big 2-car garage. The great thing also is it does have sprinkler systems already installed. And I'm going to pan around and show you not only sprinkler systems, of course your hot water heater, but then it comes also with a water softener ready to go. That's really important on the Texas weather and the Texas water we have here. The water is really hard, so this way you don't have to worry about that. And then again, we're coming out of the garage, coming into the house, and now we're going to go look at the master bedroom. They have some beautiful things they've done over here with the master. Again, no carpets in the master here. It's been all hardwood. Extra high ceilings, as you can see. Another ceiling fan like every other room. A big bay window, so you have a little bit extra space. It gives you about 50, 60 square feet more, which makes a difference. You can put some other chairs, gives you that. Now, one of the great things they have here is this cool barn door. You can see right here for an extra door, give it a little bit more aesthetic pleasing. It does have double sinks. You can see right here, his and her sinks. And then when you go through, this is great because it has a separate tub and shower. So you have a nice deep soaking tub, also a shower. And then you have this extra wide closet. Try to show you how big the closet is. Hard to see in the video, but it has all these built-ins all right through here. Huge closet space. And of course the bathroom, toilet separated. Just gonna kind of walk out through this way. Try not to walk in anything. And then we're gonna go out to the back and I'll show you a little bit better what the back porch will do. So you have this nice inside porch. Let me get this open, here we go. So one thing about the porch is great. You can see right here. Thank you, Kanisha. It's a great home. And as you can see, it has a big covered patio. And as you can look right here, how quiet and peaceful it is out here. You have no cars behind you. Nice green belt. No one to bug you. It's all ready to go. If you're looking for a home in Boerne, under 400,000, again, 375,000. Love to take you out here and get you to show in the next day or two. And we'll kind of head out this way through the house again. Oh, let me get myself back in. So again, this was the kitchen again. Just so we can get in here. One last look.